All right, so I'm about to change the tub drain. As you can see, you can't really see in it, but it's a little old. This is the stopper that was in there. The stopper won't stay up anymore. You can definitely tell that this is old. We're gonna replace it with this. To take that out, we're gonna use the tub drain extractor. Comes in this pack. Use a 1/2-inch drive. And on the back, it gives you the instructions. Hammer right here. 1/2-inch right there. To remove this, some of them have this little piece right here is a cap that screws off, and then there's a screw in there that you would unscrew with a screwdriver. This one, as you can see, is just all one solid piece. So it screws in. I just used the pliers to screw it out. Got it out. So when you pull it up, it will just fall back down. So throw that away. We get started taking this out. So as you can see, I'm now in the car. Just left Lowe's. I went to buy this. We're gonna try this. I saw it when I bought the extractor, but I didn't think it was gonna work on that drain because it's so old. It's probably gonna just break as soon as I try to twist it. But we're gonna try this and see how it goes. All right, so I'm back in. We're gonna try this and see. This goes down in here. You do need a screwdriver or a wrench to use this, but the teeth line up down in there. As you can see, it's old, it's dirty. But I got it in there. We're gonna try it. And just what I said was gonna happen, it broke. So I can see that it's trying to spin, it just won't spin. But what I want to do is hit it. But I'm gonna use the ball hammer. Hit it with this instead of the regular hammer. Instead of using a 3/8 with a 1/2-inch adapter, I'm gonna use the regular 1/2-inch on it with the extension. So let's try this. Finally turning. I know the camera's in a bad spot, but see if y'all can see it from right here. Actually, just I don't think I can do it with one hand. I did go grab some gloves because I don't want to be touching years of grime with my bare hands. This drain right here, the new one does come with an adapter depending on the size tub that you have. But you gotta take this off to get to the washer. And so if this doesn't fit your tub, you put this on and then screw it in. So with this one, I'm gonna need that. Yep, see, my tub needs that adapter. At this point, I'm gonna take the gloves off for sure. Let me zoom out. The top just screws out. That's what it looks like. This is the end of that. You see the threads right there. It screws in and out. So we get ready to put this in. I'm gonna put the putty around here, and then this goes down in the drain into the tub, and you screw it in. I'm gonna try to leave the camera right here because this is a good angle for you guys to be able to see. Next, we got the putty. You know, just roll it in your hands and put it around here. Once you tighten it, the extra is just gonna bead up underneath it anyway. So, you know, if it's too much, it'll come out. And now what we're gonna do is get this in here. Got that down in there. Next, let's screw this back in. That shows you it has threads on it. The way this one works, it's open. Push it down to close it. Pop it open. Now, we're gonna run some water through here. Let me clean out the tub real quick. I don't know if I actually showed you guys a close-up, but this is the old drain. Of course, when I was trying to use the wrench, it broke the inside. So that's why we had to use the extractor tool. But like I said, this is the old one. Swipe the tub out. It's draining so much faster. Also, we're gonna change this real quick. We'll see in a second. Definitely broke off of there. This one's about to break too and crack too. Here we go. This is the new one. This is the new screw. It's a single screw. The way you put this on is this opening goes face down. So as the water rises, it goes underneath of this plate and down this drain right here. Finish.